ज्यादा होता है. रीजन हैविंग हाई रेनफॉल, उड़ीसा, झारखंड and then Bengal and northeast has a what? A laterite soil. Has what? Western Ghat has laterite soil. But the reason here it is getting rainfall, Odisha 150 centimeter, Jharkhand 150 centimeter, West Bengal 150 centimeter, northeast getting 200 plus. And then I said that वहाँ पे the various types of temple architecture such as I said Famsana. And I said that Famsana is in which kind of it? Pyramidal. And Rekha Nagara. Rekha Nagara समझते हैं ना? Nagara में Rekha dual type, Praveneer, and then Sarvatobhadra type developed in Bengal. Which I said that Famsana, Rekha, yes, Famsana, Rekha, and then I said Bengali, Chand, फसाना, यस, किसने? बाई रेखा. तो चंदा, बंगाली गर्ल्स are supposed to be very good at what is making magics, black magics. तो वो क्या करती हैं? Their beauty face is considered as a charm. And फिर क्या कर देती हैं? Tell me. फसाना, and then what is the name of that girl? Rekha. So I said that West Bengal में which I said that Chandra Ketu Garh. Where did I say that? Chandra Ketu Garh. And then Fasana means Famsana. Which one I said that? And this is the pyramidal. And then I said that Rekha Nagara. Which style I said that? Rekha Nagara. Understood it? Okay, there West Bengal, Assam. And if you see, I said that and Assam. And this is it is the Assam में if you Kamakhya, नाम सुना होगा ना? Yes, famous. And it is famous for Nilanchal type. It is famous for which types of temple? Nilanchal type. Which one I said that? Because it is formed over the Nilanchal hills. That hill's name is itself Nilanchal. And Odisha में आप जाओगे, there is a Nilanchal train. It is also going Nilanchal. It is what is the meaning of Nilanchal? I said that Vishnu. Nila, and then within the blue sky we are living Nilanchal. So it is known as what is the Nilanchal hills. And then if you can be able to see that this kind of it is in a Garbhagriha and followed by dome shaped mandapa, followed by, and it is looking like a ratha. Rath pe, this is in a rath, backside the Arjuna is there, and then someone is sitting, and in the front who is there? Horses. Understood it? So it is in a kind of what is in a ratha, and which kind of what is in a mandapa? Dome shape. Which one I said that? Dome shape. So if I am talking about this is in a Kamakhya, I said that Assam belongs to the Nilanchal style. Why it is Nilanchal? It is on the Nilanchal hills, Assam. Yes, and then most popular example is in a cave temple in Kamakhya. The Kamakhya temple is dedicated to tantric goddesses. और आपको ही पता है it is very much famous for what is a tantricism or famous. Assam and Bengal there is a and the bleeding Devi. नाम ही क्या है? वहाँ पर bleeding Devi means he wants. वहाँ पे जाओ तो कोई जानवर bleeding Devi. And then I said that earlier remains of the Nagara style temple and the pre-home Assam is what is the Da Parvatiya. So Nagara style का कौन सा style है यहाँ पे? Tell me Parvatiya. Which temple? Da Parvatiya. Nagara style I said that Da Parvatiya. And Manikarneshwara temple in the North Guwahati shows the evidence of what is the stellate plinth of the what? Garbhagriha fronted by rectangular Mukh Mandapa. Manikarneshwar. So which are the famous temple we are watching? Yes, tell me first. What is in the first? Kamakhya. And then I said that Manikarneshwar and Parvatiya. Which I said that? Which are the three temples we are watching? Yes, tell me. Kamakhya, Manikarneshwar and then Parvatiya. Kamakhya, you are knowing that it is in a Nilanchal type. Yes, Kamakhya, which I said that? Assam. And Nilanchal type में क्या होता है? Yes, tell me. It is in a one Garbhagriha followed by Mandapa in which say dome, but it is also what is in a dome shape के साथ आप देखोगे. I said rectangular, some structure it is there. It is not completely dome. Able to look at? It is not completely dome-like. Yes. So I said that temples. So which one I said that? Assam. Yes. शाम कैसा होता है? आपको देखिए शाम कैसा होता है? नीला, ब्लू कलर. शाम नीला, and then you stop doing काम. Yes or not? You stop doing. समझ में आ गया? You stop doing काम. So Assam has which famous? Yes, tell me. Nilanchal style, and which one I said that? Kamakhya. Understood? काम stop कर देते हो करना. And then I said that which one I said? Another Nagara. और नगर में आसाम में जाओगे तो एवरीवेयर इन नगर में व्हाट विल सी? पर्वत. नियर बाय देयर इज दिस साइड इज व्हाट? शिवालिक रेंजेस आर देयर. यस, जहां पे एंड द नियर बाय व्हाट इज इफ विल गो दिस इज आई सेड, एंड यहां पर यू विल सी दैट दिस इन मेघालय प्लेट. टू दिस साइड यू विल सी माउंटेन्स, दिस साइड यू विल सी माउंटेन्स. सो व्हाट इज इन नगर में व्हाट यू विल सी? पर्वत. So Nagara style, which one? Which temple? Da Parvatiya. And thereafter I said Mani Karneshwara. And Mani Karneshwara में you can be able to see Guwahati. तो सबसे ज्यादा लोग मणि कहाँ पे होगा? In which region? Guwahati. Where did I said that? Guwahati. सबसे ज्यादा पैसा वही है जहाँ पे Dispur, where the capital is there, nearby Guwahati. And then Guwahati में क्या है? Noonmati oil field. Noonmati oil refinery. So I said that it is in a Garbhagriha fronted by rectangular Mukh Mandapa. ज़्यादा नहीं पूछने की जरूरत है, but we have seen. And Garkhiniya Dole at Najira, it is not important. This is I said that Assam. So we have seen, like I said that before getting into Pallava, first what we have seen, tell me. I said that first Guptas. And in the Guptas we have seen brick and stone temple. Perhaps you remember. And what is the stone temple? I said that first Vishnu at Tigawa. Vishnu temple at Tigawa. Then Shiva temple at Bumra and Kho, Satana. And then Parvati, Nachna, Kathura. Nachna and Dasa Avatar temple Devghar. Which I said that. हमने क्या बोला? Vishnu. Yes, tell me. Vishnu, Shiva, Parvati and Dasavatar. Vishnu, Shiva, Parvati and Dasavatar. Which is this? Stone temple. Yes or not? And thereafter I talked about brick temple. And that is in a Bhittargaon in Kanpur. And then Paharpur in the what? Bangladesh. And in Chhattisgarh, Sirpur in the Raipur district. Understood? Thereafter we have seen after that what? After that there is a coming of what is a growth in the Guptas. Yes or not? Guptas, by the end there is a what? Growth. And then nearby reaching 900 AD, there is a coming of whom? Chandelas. Coming of whom? Chandelas. And Chandelas के period में क्या हुआ? There is a Khajuraho, there is a growth of which? Several temples. And which temple has grown? Lakshmana temple. Which temple? Lakshmana. Kandariya Mahadev, Lakshmana and Kandariya Mahadev and Jain temple, famous Chaurat Yogini. And this is famous for what? Yes? Clear? किस चीज के लिए फेमस है? तांत्रिसिज्म. क्लियर? तो आज के डेट में आप लोग खोजोगे लक्ष्मण मिलेंगे. एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग में लक्ष्मण है. एवरी वन इज व्हाट इज सो मच ऑफ व्हाट इज ना, गुस्सा से भरे हुए, एंगर इज देयर. यस और नॉट? तुरंत दिखा दो. हाउ कैन यू से समथिंग लाइक दिस टू मी? आई एम नॉट लाइक दिस. यू कैन बी. एवरीवन इज लाइक दिस. लक्ष्मण. यस और नॉट? लेकिन किस खोजोगे तो कौन नहीं मिलेगा? कंदराओं में भी खोजोगे, कंदराओं मीन्स गुफा, दैट इज केव में, who will not be able to see Mahadev. So Khajuraho, खोजो, खजुराहो में where what I said that Lakshmana and Kandariya Mahadev. Another I said that Jain temple, famous Jain temple, Chaurat Yogini. Understood it? Thereafter we move towards after that. हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा क्या बोला? Nagara style temple. Which kind of this? Nagara, that Lakshmana temple. And which temple I said? Lakshmana and Kandariya Mahadev. It is in the form of, I said that Jagati, Pitha, Jagati, Pita. Yes or not? Or Adi, Jangpar, Sulati, Adhisthan, and then Jangha. And over there is, and I said the Jangha place Sikhara is there. So we have seen Ardha Mandapa, Mandapa, Mahamandapa, Antarala. And thereafter I said that Sikhara. And there is an above, I said Garbhagriha above, there is an I said that, yes, Almaka. And Almaka mein kya hai? Chandrikas. And there is a Kalas. And Kalasa has, it can be known as also, if it is made up of coconut, it is okay. If it is not made up of coconut another, it is in a Bij Pursa. It is known as what? And there can be some kind of, what is the name? Some, what is? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Transfer. क्या बोलते हैं? Transit. I said there will be some transport, and if it is there 4 subsidiary rice, it becomes what? Panch Yatana. It will become Panch Yatana. Thereafter, हमने Odisha, and the Odisha I have simply said that Deols, which are the Khakara, Pidha, Rekha. And thereafter we have seen which one is the famous one? First one that you will see Param Surmeshwara, Mukteshwara, and Sun Temple. And thereafter Bhubaneswar में temple कौन-कौन से देखे थे? लिंग जहाँ बैठ गए, लिंगराज बैठल, and then फिर क्या होगा? मुक्तेश्वर. Understood? लिंगराज बैठल मुक्तेश्वर. And thereafter I said that सीधे राजा रानी, they go to Brahman, Brahmeshwara. And then पुरी में क्या देखा है आपने? एक जगन्नाथ टेम्पल होता है, and there is another I said that पुरी में कोणार्क sun temple, and this sun temple is also known as black pagodas. Pagoda, what is the meaning of pagoda? Stories. And after that we have seen Chausat Yogini and Chausat Jogini. Yes, and then Anant Sayan. Understood? Then Kannauj district, and then we have seen I said that Gwalior, Gali, they are किसको? तेली कहकर, किसको? साला को. So Gwalior has Teli ka mandir, and then which one I said? Sala Sikhara. And Sala Sikhara is in a Dravida, and साथ में what is in a vaulted. Which one I said that? Vaulted. Understood? ऊपर में जब ये मिल रहे शिखर, it is looking like vaulted. And thereafter I said that, and then Gujarat. After the Gwalior we move towards Gujarat. And Gujarat में I said that Saurashtra. And Saurashtra how many? Gopiya, Gop temple. And then we have seen there is a coming of which? Yes, Nagara style. And Nagara style after that, Nagar है Solanki, 16 साल. And सब मर जाते हैं. Maru Gurjara. Solanki dynasty has given us Maru Gurjara. But the Maru Gurjara is not the origin of Gujarat. It is an origin of. And Maru Gurjara में क्या होता है? Kirti Stambal, then Kund, then there is a porch. Thereafter Mandapa or the Mandapa जो भी है, and then Antarala, and then Garbhagriha. Understood? And then we have seen 2 बार ऐसे जाएगा. And thereafter we have seen in the Gujarat, in the Rajasthan. And Raja लोग क्या होता है? Yes, tell me. यहाँ पे गुरु, I said that Maru Gurjara, and it has been under the patronage of Pratihara, Gurjar Pratihara. Understood? And then which are the famous temple sites are? Ocean Jaga. और किसको मारा? He has killed Kira. Ocean Jaga Kiradu. Ocean Jaga. अच्छे से कर लो. Life में nobody will come and make you remember this thing. आप पढ़ते समय जब याद करते जा रहे हैं, you are feeling that how do the India is developing a kind of what? Architecture. Yes or not? This is our glory, and if we can't remember, I said that any person came to India and said that go and see our past. And I am Tamtam Wali, I came here to, what is it, to make you wake up. Before any person who is talking about home rule movement. And if we are not giving interest to our places and what they have done, then what we can do? You know that our regions are full of so many cultures and scientific knowledge. These temples cannot be made without what? Scientific knowledges. So I said that after that ocean, and ocean मैंने आपको कैसे याद कराया? I said that ocean से पाइप, पिपला माता, and then who is what is sucking this and pumping? जोधाबाई, जोधपुर, and thereafter I said जागा, and जागा किसको जगाना आपको? अंबिका माता, and then उदयपुर, and thereafter famous Jain temple at Pali, and there is a Chaturmukha temple, Ranakpur में. Understood it is? And thereafter I said that hypo, which I said that. And from the Rajasthan we moved towards Jammu and Kashmir. थोड़े से इस लाइनों को आप सोचो कि 10 बार आप बोल जाओ. Some lines आपको you will command over this. Jamun, I have said what? Jamun. And Jamun से you what started what? Lalit Kala. Lalit Aditya. And the Lalit Kala में क्या बनाया? छोटा सा चबूतरा. I said that छोटा सा. I said that some chatura. And then we have made dirg, बड़े-बड़े dirg chatura. And वहां से क्या हो रहा है? It is from everywhere, everyone can come. Estmukha. And then I said that sun is easily coming. Sun temple Martanda in the Anandgaon district. And thereafter Himachal Pradesh I come. And Himachal Pradesh simply I said that him. Him कैसे है? Yes, tell me. One layer of him. याद आ जाएगा आपको? One layer of him. Another layer of him. इसका मतलब क्या है? Pagoda. And this is what is the meaning of this pyramid? Paint roof. I said that paint roof and pagoda style in Himachal Pradesh. Understood? And Kullu, Manali, Bharat and all, बहुत सारे there is a Siva at Dassal. These are the temples. After that we move towards West Bengal. And then West Bengal we have seen, I said that Bengali क्या करती हैं? Yes, tell me. चांद, बंगालियों का चांद. Chandra Ketugarh. Which one I said that? Chandra Ketugarh. Famsana. Famsana is a pyramidal structure. Yes, फंसा लेती है. And thereafter I said that. Yes. What is the name of that girl? Rekha. And then Rekha Sikhra. Understood? And then we have seen that this is in the what? Bengal. After that we move towards West Bengal. Sorry, West Assam. In Assam, what we have seen? Neela. Assam में नीलांचल type. And then we have seen what is there? Kamakhya. So नीला होते ही काम छोड़ देते हो आप Kamakhya. And thereafter we have seen which kind of it is the Ratha kind of it. Yes or not? And then we have seen, yes, first I said thereafter Manikarneshwara. और मणि कहाँ पे मिलेगा? असम में, पूरे असम में where will get the money? Guwahati. And हर नगर में what will see? पर्वत. Nagara style, which temple? Da Parvatiya. Understood? Clear? Simple है. You can do. अच्छा सर आपको तो याद है इसलिए तो simple बोल रहे हो. क्या आपको नहीं आ रहा है? You just make a line and then you can be able to remember. Otherwise art and culture जो book लिख रहा है उसे भी नहीं याद है. और शायद आपको दिख रहा है कि मुझे कितना याद है. Yes or no? So I said that जब आप भी याद करेंगे तो things will become easy and it is for the respect for our nation. Yes or no? To know the culture of our India. If I am going somewhere, we can be. They will ask that I